In this problem, we have to solve an exponential equation. So this equation is xth root of 9 plus xth root of 6, and this is equals to xth root of 4. Then we have to find what is the value of x that satisfies this equation. So how will you solve this problem? Now to solve this problem, first thing we will use that rule of exponent. You may remember that is xth root of a can also be written as a raised to the power x. So with this formula, let us revise the expression. We can write 9 raised to the power 1 by x, and this the second term is 6 raised to the power 1 by x, and third term will be 4 raised to the power 1 by x. Now in the next step, what we will do is we will divide by one of the term. So let us consider the largest term, that is 9 raised to the power 1 by x. So let us divide each term by 9 raised to the power 1 by x. So we will have 9 raised to the power 1 by x divided by 9 raised to the power 1 by x. Similarly, this term will also be divided by 9 raised to the power 1 by x, and this one also. Now next we will use another rule of exponent, and that rule is, if you remember, if we have a by m divided by b by m, b raised to the power m, then this can be written as a by b raised to the power m. So let us use this rule. So I can write this expression like this will become 1, and this will be simply 6 by 9 raised to the power 1 by x, and this will be 4 by 9 raised to the power 1 by x. So let us further simplify. I can write 1 plus 6 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 3. So you can divide by 3, and this is 4 by 3 is what? 2 by 3 whole square. And this raised to the power 1 by x. Now I will use another rule of exponent, and that rule is, so if you have a raised to the power m raised to the power n, this can be written as a raised to the power m times n, and this is also same as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. This means the power can be interchanged. So you have here you have m and n, but now inside this bracket you have n and then you have m. So power can be interchanged. Same thing I will do it here, that is 1 by x I will put inside the bracket and 2 outside the bracket. Why I am doing this? Because I want to convert everything in terms of this number, that is 2 by 3 raised to the power 1 by x, and then I can put something. So let us say I will have 1 plus 2 by 3 raised to the power 1 by x, and this will be 2 by 3 raised to the power 1 by x and raised to the power 2. Now let us proceed further. So now I can put this value, that is I can assume that 2 by 3 is equals to t. So 2 by 3 raised to the power 1 by x. So this is equals to t. So now the expression can be written as 1 plus t is equals to t square. So if you take everything right hand side, this becomes t square minus t minus 1. This is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So if you remember, if you have a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So in this case roots are, so roots x is equals to minus b plus minus a square root b square minus 4ac, this divided by 2a. So now using this formula I can find root here. So x will be, b is minus 1 in this case. So minus minus plus, plus minus, b square, b is minus 1, minus 4ac. So this is minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1. And this divided by 2 times a is 1. So x is equals to 1 plus minus, and this will become root 5. So in this case we have two value of x. One is positive value, another is negative value. Now see, this number cannot be negative. So we have assumed that this is basically t, not x, because this is solution for this equation. So this is t. So now see, from this expression t cannot be negative because 2 by 3 raised to the power something. So t cannot be negative. So the negative root can be eliminated. So we have t is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 2, first root, and the second root is 1 minus root 5 by 2. But now we have said that this negative root can be discarded. So t is equals to 2 by 3 raised to the power x, and this is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 2. Now this can easily be solved by taking log. So if you take log both sides, so this will be log of 2 by 3 raised to the power x, and this is equals to log of root 5 plus 1 by 2. Now use the rule of log. So if you remember the log rule, that is, if we have something like this, log of a raised to the power m, then this is written as m log a. So if I use the same rule, I can rewrite x times log 2 by 3, and this is equals to log root 5 plus 1 by 2. So from here you can get the value of x. So x will be log of root 5 plus 1 divided by 2, and this whole divided by log 2 by 3. Now you can easily find the value of root 5 and log 2 by 3, log root 5 plus 1 by 2, and then you can find log 2 by 3, and then if you plug the value you can get the exact value of x. So this is the solution for this problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.